Let's get some trader talk now from pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. Hello to you, Alan.
Hello, Angie. Another day, another record high. The S&P 5200 recording records. Another weekly all-time forever high.
How are your trades coming along, Alan, as the stock market edges higher?
All right, stick to the strategy. So we buy these in-the-money options that act like the stock, and we just want them to get more in the money. And small moves in the underlying stock produce big gains in these in-the-money options. A good example is Freeport-McMoRan. We took a 50% profit here in the last couple of weeks, and we're getting this close to 100% gain as we're pushing above 45 in that copper stock.
Your new trade is a heavy metal stock.
We're sticking to a metals. We're sticking to a miner, Cleveland-Cliffs, one of our favorites in my hometown stock. So this is a stock that's been stuck between 17.5 and 21.5, so a $4 range here for the last 3 months. A breakout of the range targets 25.50. It's been a momentum mover. It's been up 50% since October, but it's still 40% off the 2022 high.
What are you seeing happening behind the scenes with Cleveland-Cliffs? Often that can give clues about what might be ahead for a stock. And what is your trading strategy?
All right, what we're seeing here is a lot of leverage accumulation on the long side. Very, very bullish. And we're hanging around this 21 level. The way I'm looking to play is with the July 17 call. It's trading for about 4.5 or so. It's in the money. It's a deep in the money option that's going to act like the stock. The July option has 4 months of time, and it's deep in the money. And if we get to that 25 level, which is our technical target on a breakout, have this option gain 100%. Also remember that Cleveland-Cliffs was a $100 stock back in 2008 when I was a littler trader.
How about your trading takeaways, especially coming off of that Fed meeting?
All right, let's talk trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number one, baby stock. The Fed talked yesterday, and they talked about GDP growth, jobs jumping, and inflation tamed. So that all means one thing, and we've seen Goldman Sachs now has an 85% chance of a soft landing. Number two, June boom. So looking at the markets, there's now a 75% chance of a rate cut by June. That's up from 50% just a couple days ago. And number three, Christmas in July. Yes, Christmas in July. There's now an 85% chance. So that's getting real close to a near guarantee when nothing's guaranteed in these markets. But we've gone from an 80% chance to an 85% chance that there's going to be a cut by July. All this adds up for more momentum.
Very good. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.